Hi, I'm Amanda McNew, Director of Media Relations for the City of Plano, and this is Plano City News. The Plano Public Library is earning statewide recognition for creating opportunity and opening doors. The library received the Libraries Change Communities Award from the Texas Library Association for its Work Experience program. The program helps adults with intellectual and developmental disabilities build real-world job skills in a supportive environment. Since launching in 2021, more than 30 participants have completed the program, with many moving on to jobs in fields like retail, healthcare, and customer service. It is one more way Plano Public Library is connecting people to opportunity and strengthening the community. The City of Plano is also being recognized on a national level. Plano has earned LEED Gold certification, a designation that reflects strong performance in sustainability, resilience, and quality of life. The certification looks at areas like energy use, water conservation, transportation, and environmental programs. City leaders say it reflects years of planning and partnership, along with everyday actions by residents that help keep Plano a great place to live. If you're looking for something new to do, downtown Plano has a fresh way to experience local history. Once Upon a Plano is a guided walking tour that blends real events with creative storytelling. The 90-minute tour takes you through downtown Arts District with stories that range from lighthearted to a little haunting, all tied to real places and moments in Plano's past. Tours are now open, and the first guest will receive a themed giveaway tied to one of the stories. Head to visitdowntownplano.com/events for tickets. And just in time for warmer weather, the splash pad at Windhaven Meadows Park is now open for the season. You can enjoy it daily from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. through October. Just press one of the buttons on site to start the water features and cool off. And while you're there, mark your calendar for another fun event coming up. A Tailgate Pawty is happening on April 18th. From 8:30 to 10:30 a.m. at the Windhaven Meadows Dog Park, you can meet adoptable dogs from the Plano Animal Shelter, or bring your own pup and connect with city departments and community partners. Again, that's for a Tailgate Pawty, April 18th. It's a great way to enjoy the park and maybe even meet a new best friend. If you're not ready for a dog, how about a different companion for your pet of the week? Meet Mocha, an American rabbit who is very curious and friendly. Spring is the perfect time for a fresh start, and Mocha is ready for his. He was surrendered along with another rabbit and is now looking for a new home where he can explore, play, and settle in. To see all the pets available for adoption, visit share.plano.gov/pets-for-adoption. That does it for this week's edition of Plano City News. For more from our great city, head to social media or our website, plano.gov. We'll see you again soon.